Milk makeup, then done it again. Okay. So we have to beat the face, make it look poppin'. Hey guys, it's Kheris, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do this very bomb but poppin', looking like you came to slay today. Look, this right here. Let's get started. So first what I'm going to use is the Milk Makeup Foundation, and I'm just going to dot this on my hand. You're gonna take your brush, and then you're just gonna put this all over your face, or yeah. Okay, so I'm just blending it in with this brush, and you wanna make sure that it's really blended into your skin. Okay, so I'm going to be using Flex Concealer, and my color is Warm Deep. Oops, I'm spilling it everywhere. Dot this under my eyes. This is a good not concealer. Wait, yeah, it is concealer. I am so tired. Okay, so next I'm going to be using Blur and Set. People with no nails problems. I got it, okay. So we have to beat the face, make it look poppin'. That's why they call me Kheris Poppin'. You get it? I'm still making a mess. Next, we're going to do the eye pigment. So this color is After Party. Y'all, the best party I've been to was my own party. So far, so good. When you see this is all beauty. So we're going to be using lip and cheek, and the color is Rally. So we're going to just try. Ooh, we got to blend now. Milk makeup, then done it again. Okay. Ooh. Stiff. Okay, so we're going to use the glitter stick, and the color is Techno. And this, oh my gosh, this is a pretty color. I'm in love with it already. Okay, so we're just going to put this on like a highlight, really. Okay? So we're just going to. This is so cute. Who goes out the house without glitter? I'll wait. You see that highlight? Yes! I'm flawless. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to use these tattoo stamps. Ooh, I might use the heart. Okay, I'll put it right next to my eyebrow, and it's looking good. Comment down below of what you think about my makeup I did today. Bye, you guys.